Hi kids, today we are going to learn rainbow colors. For that, the important one is these are the colors of rainbow: V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. What's this? VIBGR. Okay. These are the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. Okay, let's learn one by one. The first is R is red. R-E-D, red. Okay, R-E-D, red. The next is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The next one is Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. The next color is G. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. The next one is B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, B-L-U-E, blue. The next one is I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. D-I-G-O, indigo. The last color is V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. First, you keep that in mind, that is a rainbow color means V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. VIBGR, this is the main. Okay kids, tomorrow I'll see you with a new video. Bye.